Hey everybody, and welcome back. Today we've got a bit of stuff to do today, nothing really in particular. I'm going to go for a walk in the woods maybe. I'm going to do some stuff to my car hopefully today, or maybe in another vlog, but I'm going to at least look at my car today, because I got a car if you didn't know. And yeah, that's pretty much it, but we'll see how the day goes. Stick with it. Okay, so just before the video starts, a lot of people have been asking me why I'm in like different kind of houses, or if it's the same house and I just do a different room for each vlog. And no, I am in different houses majority of the time for the moment, because just some family stuff happening. Not going to go too in detail because you don't need to know anything, but just some stuff happening, so, and it's all completely legal for me to be moving around. So we made it into the forest, so let's show you some of the forest. Guys, something cool I didn't know about the forest is it's actually all man-made. So like, all the trees are planted by humans. It's very cold and very windy. So once we actually get past this woodland bit, it actually takes you to a caravan zone, which is really awesome. And obviously I've been there many times before, but like, there's so much cool stuff on this trail. Like, it's a very picturesque place. You can take a lot of photos here, and I'm sure they'd all come out well, especially if it was snowing. It was meant to snow today, but hasn't yet. I've had a few snowflakes, but I don't think it's gonna, like, heavy snow. Like, I don't think we're gonna get like 4 or 5 inches or whatever, but you know, still, it's a nice day. It's very cold, very windy, and like just up here there's some monkey bars for kids to play on. How cool is that? We're in like we're heading towards the caravan bit, so we're kind of like in the heart of the woodland area at the moment. So I don't know if you can see, but there's some like monkey bars behind me and that, and it is so nice here. Honest to God. It's amazing. There's my dog. It is so nice right now. If only it was snowing. So these are just some of the caravans. Not all of them, but some of them. Look at this. This tree is so old and it's just fallen down overnight because of the wind we had last night. So it's actually just started kind of snowing / raining. So hopefully we get some snow. It almost looks like a lake. It's just a puddle, and there's my dog. Great, that's gonna be brilliant. Okay guys, so we're back now, but we're gonna be going out to do some photos of the waves really soon because it's super windy outside. Therefore, there's gonna be some good waves by the pier. Okay guys, so we're back from seeing the waves. Sorry I couldn't film anything. It was so windy, you have no idea how windy and how cold it was. I legit couldn't take my hands out of my pockets because it was so cold. And it was so windy, so you wouldn't have even been able to hear me. So really sorry about that. But let's go and have a look at the car because we've installed the lights. Just noticed really quick, it is snowing on my car. That's awesome. Okay, so here's the big reveal. You ready? Oh my goodness. I love them so much, and I think you might be able to see in the back there, they've got some lights that, obviously, like, the camera does not do this justice right now, but this is incredible. I am so happy right now with this. You have no idea. I have wanted this for so long. Oh my goodness. Guys, I'm so happy right now. This is incredible. Here's another look at the LEDs on the side. So we go all the way into the car. This side and the other side, obviously. And that's the end of the video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry for the day late upload. Obviously, I've been travelling a lot recently, so couldn't have done it. It wouldn't have been an exciting vlog either. But hope you've enjoyed the video, and make sure to hit the subscribe button if you like what you see and want to see more of the same kind of thing. See you next time.